Hey, Chef Austin here with Everything Kitchens. We're going to learn everything you need to know to assemble your new Bosch mixer.
There's a high torque drive socket on the bottom of the mixer. To install the bowl, simply place it on top of the socket and turn the bowl to lock it in place. To install the mixing tools, easily slide them on top of the drive shaft and turn until the gears lock together. Simply lift up to remove the tool. To use the bowl scraping attachment, slide it over the metal driver until you hear both clips lock in place. The bowl cover is 2 pieces. Place the splash ring on top of the mixing bowl and turn to lock it in place. The bowl cover lid locks in the same way. There's a high-speed motor drive underneath this removable cover. Line up the triangle on your attachment with the circle on the mixer. Insert and turn to lock.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found this helpful, press that like button for us. If you have any more questions, leave in the comments below and we'll get you helped out. If you're not already a member of our Chef Perks program, you can join for free on everythingkitchens.com. That's going to get you exclusive discounts and faster shipping on all of your orders. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more help videos from Everything Kitchens.